Hello and welcome to HiWayFX market news for February 9th, 2016. Today, during the Asian trading session, the Euro-US dollar pair reverted to the mark of 1.12. The high of the day was reached near the level of 1.124. Currently, the euro consolidates near the level of 1.12 by adding 0.1%. The common currency benefited from a negative correlation with the European stocks, which slumped to their lowest in more than 2 years. As Reuters reports, investors will pay even more attention than usual to the testimony of U.S. Federal Reserve Chair Janet Yellen before the House Financial Services Committee on Wednesday, seeking any clue to the strength of the U.S. economy. That might underpin the dollar by keeping alive hopes that the central bank may continue on its rate-hiking path. The resistance levels for the euro are 1.1269 and 1.1297. The support levels for the euro-US dollar are following 1.1138 and 1.1083. On Tuesday, the US dollar-Japanese yen pair trades near the level of 114.80 with 1% of loss. During the Asian trading session, the American dollar skidded to its lowest levels against the yen since November 2014, as a sell-off in stock markets continued and stoked demand for the perceived safe haven Japanese currency. In terms of safety, the yen could actually be the most attractive currency right now, which I'm sure the policymakers don't want to hear, said Bart Wakabayashi, head of foreign exchange for State Street Global Markets in Tokyo. The resistance levels for the pair are 115.26 and 115.95. The support levels for US dollar Japanese yen are following 114.51 and 114.15. On Monday, gold soared to the level of $1,200, its highest price in 7 months, and investors are betting there are more gains to come by April. This morning, after reaching a new high, we're observing a technical correction. Gold trades near the level of $1,192 by losing 0.4%. As Bloomberg notes, investors are returning to gold after shunning the metal for 3 straight years. A stagnating global economy is threatening U.S. expansion and casting doubts over whether Federal Reserve policymakers will raise interest rates anytime soon. That's sending the dollar lower and raising the allure of gold as both a store of value and a haven asset. The resistance levels for gold are $1,200 and $1,208. The support levels for gold are following $1,188 and $1,184. On Monday, the American S&P 500 index lost over 1.4% by posting its lowest close since April 2014 amid a fresh drop in crude oil prices, jitters over European banks, and continuing fears of a global economic slowdown. This morning, the S&P 500 index is continuing its fall. Currently, the index trades near the level of 1840 by losing 1%. As Bloomberg notes, investors have been scrutinizing earnings and economic data on guard for any signs of weakness spilling over from China. Gauges this week on the strength of U.S. growth include reports on business inventories, retail sales, and consumer sentiment. Federal Reserve Chair Janet Yellen is scheduled to testify on monetary policy before Congress Wednesday and Thursday. The resistance levels for S&P 500 index are 1849 and 1862. The support levels for the index are following 1836 and 1825. Stay up to date with all the key financial news around the world by liking us on Facebook, following us on Twitter and Instagram, and subscribing to our YouTube channel. For more information, please visit our website www.hiwayfx.com. Thank you and have a good trading day.